Hi, this video will be very short. I just want to show you how to find the center of a circle. First, I will draw a circle. Choose 2 points on the edge of the circle. Then stick the compass to one of the points and make mark here and here. Then stick the compass to the second point and cross the marks. Now we have new points here on the crossed marks. Use these points to make a line in the circle. Now we have two equal parts. The center of the circle is somewhere on this line. Make a point here and here. Stick the compass to the one of the points and make a mark. One mark more and stick the compass to the next point. Cross the marks. Now we have new points. Use these new points to make a line in the circle. And that's it. This is the center of the circle. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my channel, check the links in the description.